Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video, and today a day of the life a day in the life of what it's like to own an Abarth 595 Turismo.
The silhouettes burning, embers rising high, like a chemical fire. The flame won't die. Intertwined, darling, you and I. And my heart beats calm, and
I am at the Shell garage, you guys. For those of you who do follow me probably see me at this place quite often, but it's because you get like basically one coffee for the price of two. You get to scan your Shell card. Anyways, boring but we need a coffee. We're going to head to another gym now, and yeah, I'm gonna need the fuel. There she is. Woo! Gorgeous. Very dirty, but stunning. It's definitely time for a wash today, I think, guys. Get a little start up. This is the normal idle, guys, without the cold start. If you ask me, that's pretty tame compared to like the cold start that I'll show you guys. So that's the thing, it's always that cold start that's really obnoxiously loud, and then it sort of drops down to this more tame sort of idle. So unfortunately, yeah, it's just that initial part. But anyways, let's go. So some of the gyms I work at, guys, I literally spend my weeks driving back and forth from this gym to that gym, from this gym to that gym, from this gym to that gym, on repeat all week. Seems to be what I'd spend most of my time doing nowadays. Fortunately, I'm in something fun that I actually enjoy driving around in. If you ever wanted to hear what the Abarth sounds like, if you were ever curious, the thing is, I know for many of you who watch my videos time and time again, you'll know I probably do the similar thing. I like to let people hear what the car sounds like and to give you pretty much an as raw experience as possible when it comes to the car and how it drives, how it sounds. Where I live, guys, the only thing at this time of day is there's just traffic everywhere. Everywhere. Alright guys, so we are en route to go and give this car a quick wash, make some content off the back of that. And I have also ordered, guys, just so you are aware, a proper head cam strap, so we can get like a proper POV style view going rather than what we currently have, as you guys can see, or maybe not even with the road. So yeah, we're gonna make hay whilst the sun shines. Don't know if you guys have heard that before. With what I mean by that is, whilst the sun is literally out, I am going to try and get some decent content. It's very few and far between nowadays that we actually get some content, just because the weather's been relentlessly poopy lately. So let's see what we can do, folks. So this machine in particular, guys, is very like coin orientated, but it's quite nice because you can literally change the program at any point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ideally I want to keep this to like £5 if possible, which is quite nice because you can determine it, but then you're also going to move appropriately as quick as possible. There she is in all her pride. Poopy though, I won't lie, as you can tell. Finito. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Very short vlog style video for me today, but we are also running out of battery on the actual GoPro. I can just use my phone, but I came up to this viewpoint, guys. This is called Jack and Jill's because of that. The windmill. It's called Jack and Jill's in this area that I live in, and that probably gives away more of my location to some of you who do know this area a bit better. But yes guys, beautiful view. Just to end off, I do have another client to get to, but you can see the clouds actually coming over there. Ooh. It's very windy up here, guys, so I do apologize if the sound is a bit distorted, but thank you so much for watching, guys. Please make sure to hit a like and a subscribe. Nelly said follow there. Please hit a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah, buddy.